In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter GPS coordinates into the Waze app, an essential skill for making sure you reach locations with precision, especially those not well covered by traditional addresses. Whether you're embarking on a road trip, off to a hidden gem, or simply checking out a new place, Waze can guide you effectively when you know how to input coordinates correctly. To get started, make sure you have the Waze app open on your iPhone or Android device. This app is not only a reliable navigation aid, but also user-friendly, so you can focus on the journey rather than worrying about wrong turns. With the app open, locate the search bar, which is represented by a magnifying glass icon. Tap on this to bring up the search field where you'll be entering your coordinates. The Waze app is versatile and accepts coordinates in two common formats, ensuring you have the flexibility to use whichever you have available. The first format is decimal degrees, also known as DD, where the coordinates appear in a straightforward decimal format. The second format is degrees, minutes, seconds, or DMS, which breaks down each coordinate into three individual values: degrees, minutes, and seconds. Knowing the format you have will help ensure accurate input. Once you've typed the coordinates, making sure they're precisely entered, look through the search results that appear. This list will show potential matches based on your input. Select the most accurate result, which usually appears at the top of the list, to view further details about the location. After selecting your location, a map will display the pinpointed area. Verify that this matches where you intend to go. If it does, the next step is simple. Tap on the location you received, which will prompt Waze to display the routes available to your destination. This often provides you with options for the fastest route, scenic routes, and even potentially avoiding tolls if that's your preference. Once you're satisfied with the route shown, the app will display the directions to your selected coordinates. For an easy start to your trip, look for the Go button on the screen, which signals your journey to begin. Tap it, and Waze will initiate real-time guidance, ensuring you stay on track all the way to your destination. There you have it, a simple yet detailed guide to entering GPS coordinates in the Waze app. With these steps, you're ready to explore and navigate to new and exciting places confidently. Remember, always keep your eyes on the road and enjoy your travels with the assurance that Waze has your back with accurate directions.